Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the cyber cycle indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool was developed by John Ehlers and is designed to identify market cycle phases and trend turning points. At this point, I'll quickly load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. And there we have it. The cyber cycle indicator appears as an oscillating line in a sub-window beneath the main chart. When the line is rising, it implies strengthening upward momentum. When it is falling, downward momentum is suggested. Crossovers with its moving average components and breaks of overbought oversold reference lines help highlight potential turning points in the market cycle. As for its settings, the indicator uses a combination of the Fisher transform, zero lag exponential moving average, and in-phase and quadrature components in its calculation. All the specific parameters may vary by version. The default settings are typically pre-configured for general use and can be adjusted in the indicator properties and inputs. As for who is for and its limitations, the cyber cycle indicator is accessible to both beginners and experienced traders looking to sharpen their timing through cycle analysis. It works well in trending markets where cyclic patterns are more defined. In range-bound or choppy conditions, the signals can become less reliable. It is a visual tool only, does not execute trades, and should be used with additional confirmation. The download link is in the description below on the Forex Geek. Please subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.